In this video, I will show you the teacher panel. If you're managing large numbers of students and classes, the teacher panel is a more efficient way to see which assignment needs attention first and get more grading done in less time. From your teacher panel, you can see all your students' assignments together in one place. Let's take a look around. Notice the tabs at the top of the page labeled To Do, Homework, Placement Tests, and Assessments. Also notice the class filters in orange. These allow you to view students class by class. Below, you will have a list of students' assignments. In the tab bar, the To Do tab is special because it lists only assignments that have been submitted, as opposed to assignments that are in progress. All other tabs list specific types of assignments on their way to being ready for review. For example, the Homework tab lists just homework. Note that any assignment that has been submitted and needs review also appears in the To Do tab. Now, let's take a look at some features common to every tab. Assignments can be sorted by class in every tab, and assignments are listed in reverse chronological order, which means the ones at the top need your attention first. Now, you don't have to worry about sorting through individual student profiles to track which student did what on which day. You will notice that some text in the panel is blue, including students' names and the dates a student submitted an assignment. This is another built-in time saver because by clicking on a student's name, you will go directly into their individual profile page. And by clicking on a blue submitted date, you will be taken directly into the answer key side by side with the student's submitted assignment. Now, let's take a look at the To Do tab in a little more detail. The To Do tab displays all assignments that have been submitted. When a student submits any assignment, it appears on the To Do tab so you can take action. Now, let's take a look at the Homework tab as an example of how you can do even more with the teacher panel to save time. In this tab, I will show you how you can select assignments to perform bulk actions. If you click the checkbox to the left of an assignment, you can take different actions depending on the assignment status. Not every action is available for every assignment status. For example, here is a homework assignment that is assigned but not started. The actions you can take on this assignment are to change the due date or to remove it. You can click on assignments of different statuses to see which actions are available. Now, let's have a look at class filters, which are available here and in every other teacher panel tab. Notice how when you click on a class name from the class filter buttons, only the students from that class appear. This is great for reviewing homework quickly before teaching your next class. To review, let's head back to the first thing you'll see when you access the teacher panel, which is the To Do tab. The teacher panel as a whole is your task list for a bird's eye view of which assignments require your attention. The To-Do tab specifically is your inbox of submitted work. The other tabs allow you to monitor students' progress towards submitting their assignments. I hope you enjoy using the Off2Class teacher panel as much as I do, and that you save more time managing your workflow.